Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Identify the points that lie in the exterior of the circle. Now, exterior points, exterior points are all the points that are not interior. Not interior points. So the points that are inside the area of the circle, that is A, B and C, they are interior points. So exterior points will be F, D and E. Therefore, F, D, E are exterior points. Answer is option D.